This is creamy marinated coleslaw. Creamy marinated coleslaw. It's perfect for potlucks, picnics, anything barbecue. This is a keto-friendly version. I've got the recipe for this is below in the comments. And a half carrot, shredded. You can use pre-packaged coleslaw. I don't know why, but you could. And I've got a little bit of powdered erythritol and some salt. We're just going to mix this up. The salt will bring some of the moisture out. And I used to add onions to this, but onions are kind of carby, so I don't add them anymore. I'm going to cover that, put it in the fridge. Now for the sauce on this, I'm going to take a small pot and some mayonnaise into the pot, a little bit of yellow mustard, some white vinegar, celery seed. That's what really makes it. And some more powdered erythritol. When this cooks, it reminds me of making pickles. So we're just going to bring this up to a boil. There, that's well heated. And I've got some avocado oil. Let's mix all that in. And just pour it on. This is so simple. And it's delicious with everything. We're going to have this tonight with some brisket. So I'll cover that. It'll last up to 5 days in the fridge. And that salt will bring some of the liquid out. And it'll start to get really juicy and it's going to meld all the flavors in there. It's really good with the coleslaw. We actually use this too with pulled pork. It's a great recipe for the slaw. There you go. There's a creamy marinated coleslaw, keto version. Thanks for watching.